Alright, so we're here tonight in Grosse on the Pro Right Now the stage from a single release. It's the first song released off of our second album. It's called One Shot. The first time we played this song on this stage, it felt so good that I refused to release it anywhere else. So that is why we are here tonight doing this, because I wanted this song to come out right here on this stage.
Let's go!
Close your eyes, you can see the muffled road sound. Honey, I hope you're holding on. What you got here now, better good as gold. You love.
Let you in your head.
y'all so much for being here and hanging out with us.
Well, one shot was a hit. That was awesome. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for the guys that came out and supported us. Support them. So get on to Spotify, YouTube Music, whatever. Get to the Jared Stout band. Look up One Shot and blast it because it sounds so good. Goodbye. Good night.
Bye.
Safe travels.
Bye.
So I gotta ask Jared, when are you gonna join me on a trip?
Where do you want to go?
Somewhere muddy.
Yeah.
Some 4x4, you know, 4 low.
All right.
Let's do this.
All these things sound fun. I'm
Okay,
game.
let's do this. Hang
I'm
a
game.
hammock, camp in the middle of the woods.
No problem. Done
Eat
that.
something. Okay.
We'll do it
You heard
again.
this. Here we go.
I'm game.
We're planning this. This is happening.
We're doing it.
I mean, I did see the episode where you were like, this silver fox is single. And he's on He's so mad. So I just did what I had to do, okay?
Absolutely. Without further ado, let's just announce the winner of tonight's contest that we donated a Trasharoo, Jared donated some stuff, Pro Reynaudis donated some stuff, and the winner is license plate ADV Taco, Adventure Taco. So who has the Adventure? All right!